Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your SST teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Kharje Talent English Medium School, Muktainaka. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss very interesting chapter, that is Indian lifestyle, the 7th chapter. So, in India, the peoples are living in different creed, caste, religions, traditions. That's why the lifestyle also totally different from one to another. So dear students, let you see, so what is the things and what the doings. So we'll give Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Assam, West Bengal, so like that. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Assam, West Bengal. So all the places, the living style, structure, is and everything totally different from one for another, isn't it? So in this way, why? Because this is eating, dressing, each and everything totally different according to the place, according to the climate, according to the regions, according to the atmosphere, right? So in this way, totally different from one place to another places. In this way, the food grains, the food those they're taking also totally different. Just like North India, they are eating wheat, while East India they are eating rice, South India rice, Rajasthan they are eating rice, millet and wheat, hill areas they are eating maize, and coastal area they are eating rice. Some were eating rice, some were eating wheat, some were eating maize, some were eating bajra. So different type of peoples, those are living in different place, in a different climate, in different regions. They're eating things also totally different from one to another. So the same way, the fruits also totally different from one to another. So people of India also eat pulse, vegetables and fruits. Pulses eating, vegetables eating, and fruits also we are eating. Pulses mean dal, like arar, urad, moong dal, masoor dal. So these all are all over our country. Next one, going to discuss the food of different regions. Food of different regions. So first we are going to discuss the food grains and pulses. So what type of food grains and pulses are available? First we are going to discuss the North India side. North India side, generally they are eating as wheat, is or not? See, North India, wheat is grown in large quantity. It is the staple diet of the people of North India. Okay, so chapati are made from a wheat flour and eaten with cooked pulses and vegetables. Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana are leading producers of wheat and sugar. Next we are going to discuss now Eastern India. In Eastern India, milk made dishes are very popular. For example, rasgulla, sandesh, cham cham, etc. Rice and fish curry is very famous. Is the staple diet of the people of Eastern India. What? Rice and fish curry. Next, in the southern states, total southern states, what are the famous? Just to see, idli, dosa, sambar, uttapam, stew, rasam, and payasam are common dish. Rice is the very important food. Rice is the very important part of their diet. Now we will discuss about the North Indian peoples. North Indian peoples are used to prepare for wheat, whereas rice is a more commonly eaten in the eastern and southern state. Next, makki ki roti, yani sarson ki saag are popular in Punjab. So you have underlined it. Okay. Next, Indian food is different from rest of the world, not only in taste but also in cooking methods. In this way, total food taste of the food, process of the food, totally different from one place to another place. Now we are going to discuss the vegetables and fruits. So vegetables and fruits were what available. Now we are going to discuss. First, besides the food grains, Indian also produce a large variety of vegetables and fruits. So means not only pulses but also vegetable fruits also grown in different places. Also, that is different variety of fruits and different variety of vegetables. Which fruits are grown where we are going to discuss now. Next, foreign different states grow different type of fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables seasonal, whereas some are available throughout the years. For example, we get mangoes in summer and grapes in winter. We get banana and apple throughout the years. So that is also correct, 100% sure. According to the seasons also some fruits are available, and throughout the years some fruits are available. So just like I said, mangoes generally will get in winters, and while the apples and bananas we are getting the throughout the years. So these are all the things we have to keep in our mind. That the things is. Next, Jammu and Kashmir. Now area wise we will discuss which fruits are available where and how much. So Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh are famous for apple. Keep in mind that Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for apple. Next things, Uttar Pradesh is famous for Nagpur in Maharashtra. Nagpur in Maharashtra is well known for its orange. Okay, orange is famous for which place? Nagpur. Then after, Uttar Pradesh is famous for its mangoes and sugarcane. Alfonso mango are grown in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Goa and Kerala are famous for coconut. Goa and Kerala, well predictive part, that is coconut. Fruits and vegetables are transported from one place to another place. They are grown to all our country. So no matter where we live, and we can get all type of fruits and vegetables. That's why, though this all in this way, what I'm saying. So in this way, different type of place, the fruits and vegetables are grown in different way. But due to the well transportation systems, wherever you live, you will get the all types of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so there is nothing to worry. Now we are going to discuss the spices, yani masala. So let us see the masala, spices. What type of spices we are getting and where. So various types of spices that makes food tasty and add flavor to them are also grown in India. So in India, different type of spices we are getting to make food our tasty and beautiful and attractive to the people. So next, spices have made Indian food popular all over the world. Some of the popular spices are chili, turmeric, pepper, clove, ginger and cardamom. So these are the very important, very popular spices all over the world of Indian spice. And all Indian spices all over the world people's liking very much. Now we are going to discuss about the cooking oil. The oil is used in cooking differ from one place to another places. Some popular cooking oil used in Indian are mustard oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil and coconut oil. So in this way, different type of oils for cooking and for applying each and every purpose we are doing, and we are using the different type of oil to better tasty. Now we are going to discuss milk. So now you're also drinking the milk every day, right? I'm also drinking the milk. So milk is said to be a complete food. Indians prefer milk and milk product such as curd, paneer, ghee and butter, which is made by the milk. Now we're going to discuss tea and coffee. Nowadays, these are the very addictable things to the people. Even though small kids are there eating tea, coffee. Well, that's not the problem, the parents' problems. Why? Because parents giving tea, take small little tea, little coffee, they're making addict to the child. Okay, so tea and coffee also grown in hill regions like Assam, Nilgiri and Kerala. Generally, tea and coffee, these are called plantation formation. So these plantation formation are used to crop in the hill areas, hill regions. It won't crop in plain area. So next we are going to discuss the cloth worn in the different regions. Now we are going to discuss different peoples. They are wearing different type of clothes in different regions according to their climate and place. People wear different type of cloth in different part of a country, right? So in towns and cities, people wear modern garment, and in cities, men wear trouser and shirts. Many women wear western clothes such as trouser and shirt, t-shirt, skirt, etc. while people in village wear traditional cloth, like men prefer wear traditional dresses like dhoti and kurta pajama. Right, the clothes we wear also depends on the climate of the place we live in. Right, so in this way, means town and cities people are wearing some modernized cloth like pants, shirt, some different t-shirt, skirt, women's are wearing. So like that, this in a village side, whenever we're going to see the village side, in that village side they are wearing especially traditional dresses, just like dhoti, pajama, man, and sari, like this the women are wearing. But this is the place. Now according to the climate, according to the season also, we are wearing different type of clothes. Let you see, in summer season people wear the cotton cloth. Keep in mind, summer season people wear the cotton cloth, and in winter they wear woolen cloth. Yeah, obviously we know very well that. Some dresses are common and popular throughout the country. For example, sari, salwar, kameez, trouser, shirt and skirt. So these all are throughout the years we are wearing every day. That is not, it won't depend upon the climate, or it won't depend upon the seasons. Now different states, different dresses. So according to state wise, just we have a look the dresses. In Rajasthan, what they are wearing, men wear chudar with kurta or and achkan, and women wear ghagra, kajli. Men also wear the turban to protect their head from heat. Next, in South India, men wear lungi, which is also called vasti. In Andhra Pradesh, men wear dhoti, shirt and trousers shirt, whereas women wear sari, blouse and pavdai. People in Tamil Nadu wear vasti or lungi, a shirt, and women wear pavdai. Next, the men in Karnataka wear shirt, dhoti and petta, and women wear sari, kupsa and pavdai. In West Bengal, men wear dhoti, kurta, and ladies wear sari, blouse. People in Kashmir wear salwar, kameez and firans. So these are, and people in Himachal Pradesh wear chola, dhaju and embroidered cap. In Sikkim, people wear baku. So in this way, different states people are using different type of cloth, and its name also totally different from one to another. Now we are going to discuss the clothes worn on the special occasion. In the special occasion, what type of dress are wearing? So let you see, on the special occasion like marriage and festival, people wear formal dresses and jewelry. This include brocade and silk sarees, suits with ties, sherwani, etc. Women wear gold and silver jewelry with traditional motif. Many Indian clothes like Benares sarees, next Kanchipuram sari, next Pashmin, Salwa, next Patola sarees, chicken kurtas and Rajasthani lehengas are popular all over the world. So in occasion times, in festival times or in marriage times, they are wearing some special cloth which is most attractive to the peoples, and it looking very beautiful to the peoples, not only men but also women. So in this way, the lifestyle of Indian peoples are totally different from one person to another person, one case to another, one area to another, one state to another state. That's why our India is special and very interesting. We can see different type of people, different type of costume of the dress, different type of food, different type of vegetables, different type of things, but they all are wherever you live you can get. Why? Because due to the well transportation systems. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you understand better the solutions and watch this video. Okay, and better, I hope you understand this. Whenever you have any doubt, definitely you can ask to me, I will help you. So till then, keep watching for the next video. Bye bye.